So, what I've got for you today is a little unboxing video. And what we're going to be unboxing is not just one, but four Hydro Flask minis. Now, why four? I haven't gone crazy. Two are going to be for Mindy and two for myself. They're tiny. I think they're going to be fantastic for travel. But little disclaimer, and if I was to tell the truth, I actually went to purchase a large water bottle and fell in love with the cute overload of how small these looked. And needless to say, I have no large water bottle and I have these little miniatures that have just arrived. So the first one we're going to open is in Nectar Orange. This one's going to be Mindy's. Oh, that's lovely. A little lighter than I anticipated, but very nice. The next one I've got here is a Beach Plum. This one's mine. Oh, lovely deep purple. You can get a visual on the size. I don't have the largest hands, and you can see it fits very nicely in my hand. The third one I've got here is Birch. This one again is going to be Mindy's. With these little handles, you could clip them onto your bag, carabiner onto your backpack if you're out hiking for the day. And the very last one I've got is in Aloe, and this one again is going to be one of my ones. Oh, that's lovely. Maybe my favorite color yet. This one I really like. Now, they're not just cute, I do think they'll be very useful for travel. They're holding 200 millilitres, 6.7 ounces of any liquid. I'm thinking I can get a double espresso on one of these if I'm going on a long journey. I could get some hot water, rehydrate a dehydrated meal, cup of soup, add to some ramen noodles. But yeah, as I haven't started using them, I'd be interested to know if any of you have them, any ideas, great ideas that you have for me for what I can use them for. If you've got any, pop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'm sure you're going to see them in use on my travels. Bye bye for now.